So you've built the business, the income, and the title. So why do you still feel off? You're not lazy, you're not broken. But this low-grade exhaustion, that restless old feeling, it's not in your head. Now, a client of mine once told me I'm winning at the wrong game. Now, he had the house, the team, and the cash, but felt like a ghost behind the wheel. Now, that stuck with me because it's not burnout from doing too little. It's misalignment from doing too much of the wrong thing. Now, burnout is bleeding 322 billion from the global economy according to stats. And high performers like you're the ones most at risk. That's why I want to show you the trap hiding in plain sight. Success without alignment. Now, it looks like growth, but without reset, it starts costing more than just revenue. Now, this is where the operator reset comes in. Now, let's walk through how to get back in sync with your next level. And here's what we are unpacking today. Why you feel off even when everything looks successful. The real root behind the disconnect, and it's deeper than time management. And how to reset your internal operating system so you stop sprinting on fumes. And this right here is the edge most high performers never get taught. Let's go. So you scaled the income, you scaled the systems, you scaled the brand. Try picture this. You're driving a Ferrari with an engine of a Prius. It looks incredible, but every mile feels harder than it should. That's what happens when your outer world grows faster than your inner operating system. But no one teaches you how to scale you, and that's a trap. Because you're still running today's pressure on yesterday's operating system. It's like running a high-performance app on an outdated phone. It might load, but it lags, glitches, and drains quick. From the outside, it looks like it's working, but on the inside, you're buffering. Now let's talk about the real problem, the 3G drift. We're talking growth, goals, and gears. I once coached a founder who crashed her revenue goals but still felt empty. Now, she realized her vision had evolved, but her daily life hadn't. Now, her calendar reflected who she was, not who she was becoming. You've evolved. Your vision's grown. But the internal gears, mindset, habits, and operations are still built for a past version of you. And that misalignment, that's what creates the drag. And that's why you feel off. You might be asking, so Richie, why don't high performers notice this earlier? Enter the strong side trap. So we suppress, we perform, and we compensate. Now, a buddy of mine once joked, I'm great at surviving success. Now, funny, but painfully real. Now, high performers are so used to pushing through that even our warning signs get overridden by drive. We suppress the signals. We keep performing. We overcompensate. Why? Because that's what we've always done. Those strengths, resilience, drive, and endurance, they also blind us what's breaking. By the time we feel it, it's already costing us our energy, joy, and clarity. So what's the fix? It's not more hustle. It's not another hack. It's alignment. So we align, then we add. And this is audit, align, and adjust. So imagine trying to fix a wobbly bike by adding more pedals. That's what most high performers do. More tools, more hacks. But if the frame is bent, more gear won't help. You need realignment. We don't throw more tools at the problem. We slow down enough to audit what's actually off. Then we realign the way we operate with who we've become. And then we adjust the dials. Now, this is where the operator reset starts. I'll be asking, so how do we reset? Enter the C.A.L.M reset model. So we're talking about clarity, audit, average, and momentum. I had a client pause his team for just 1 week just to audit his role. Now, in that week, he found 30% of his workload was legacy, outdated tasks from an old chapter. By letting them go, he found 10 hours a week. Now, that's clarity in action. So first, we get clarity. What's noise versus signal? Then audit. What are you doing that's outdated or misaligned? Next, leverage. It's already working. Finally, build momentum that compounds daily. This isn't about slowing down, it's about removing friction so your moves stay clean. If you don't, end up in a success hole, celebrated on the outside, numb on the inside, secretly stuck. I call it the invisible stuck. You're booked, busy, praised, and yet something's missing. You dread Mondays, you miss who you used to be. But that's not failure. That's misalignment. All the right things, getting the wins, but it doesn't feel like success anymore. And no one sees it because from the outside, you're crashing it. You know the truth. Success without alignment becomes a prison. You keep achieving, but never arrive. If that's been hitting home, broken, you're not behind, you're just out of sync with your next level. And the moment you rebuild the operator behind the whole machine, everything changes. That's the work we do inside my coaching and mastermind. But for now, if this hit home and you're ready to start feeling off and start leading in alignment, hit subscribe. Because in next week's video, I'll walk you through the real reason you're still waking up tired, even when you're doing everything right. And trust me, you won't want to miss it.